Let's be honest, gardening can be tough, especially if you don't have the right tools. I used to think gardening was all about patience and luck, but it turns out having the right tools changes everything. Do you have everything you need in your gardening toolkit, or are you missing some key tools that could transform your garden? Hello everyone, welcome back to Pot and Bloom. I'm Labhya, and today we'll explore the must-have tools every gardener needs to keep their garden looking its best all year round. So let's dive in. First up, we have pruners. These are every gardener's best friend when it comes to keeping plants neat and healthy. Pruners are perfect for cutting dead stems, trimming back overgrown plants, and even shaping bushes. The key here is to keep them sharp. A sharp pair of pruners cuts cleanly, which means less damage to your plants and faster healing for the stems. Next, we've got the trowel. Think of it as your mini shovel. This is the tool you'll use for almost every planting job, from digging small holes for seeds or plants to moving soil around your garden beds. You want to choose a trowel with a strong metal blade, especially if you've got tough rocky soil. A cheap trowel might bend or break, but a good one will last for years. Now, let's talk about garden fork. It's perfect for breaking up hard, compacted soil, especially if your garden is in an area with clay or rocky ground. The fork helps you loosen the soil so roots can spread easily. Plus, it's great for turning over compost or mixing in organic matter. If you've ever struggled with tough soil, a garden fork is going to save you so much effort. And here's a real-time saver: self-watering pot. These are perfect if you tend to forget to water your plants or if you're just super busy. They have a built-in reservoir at the bottom that slowly waters your plants over time, keeping the roots hydrated without you needing to check on them every day. Now, let's talk about gardening gloves. I know it sounds basic, but a good pair of gloves will protect your hands from blisters, cuts, and those annoying thorns. You'll want to get gloves that fit well, snug, but not too tight, so you can move easily while protecting your hands. When your hands are comfortable, you can work longer without distraction. And last but not the least, let's talk about the garden rake. This tool is essential for clearing leaves, leveling soil, and spreading mulch. It helps you tidy up your garden beds and get the soil smooth before planting. If you have ever tried spreading mulch or soil with your hands, you know how frustrating it can be. A rake just makes everything easier, faster, and way more efficient. So there you have it. These essential tools will make gardening not just easier, but way more enjoyable. And here's the best part. Pot and Bloom offers DIY gardening kits, a gardening tool set that includes a hand trowel, a hand fork, and all the other essentials you need to start gardening. Check out www.potandbloom.com to begin your journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and product updates. Happy gardening!